control motorized jack. I'm showing output. This is lifting, so this will go up, and you can stop it here, and we can make it go down. Okay, and we are using here Arduino Bluetooth module, 3 batteries to give power to motor, and this motor direction is controlled by L298 water driver IC. Okay, this is Bluetooth app. Through any app we can send some characters like F, B, stop, whatever character we can send, it will operate according to the character. Okay.
Hello everyone, we are from Xilir Technologies, New Delhi, India. We develop research-based software and hardware projects and products globally. Xilir Technologies has the largest collection of projects. On our website, you can get services like unique engineering projects, science projects, MTech PhD thesis guidance, self-learning kits, ready-made projects, hardware components, drone-related services, softwares and simulations, research paper writing and publications in top journals and conferences. We also provide patent-related services. So to upgrade your knowledge, you can join our channel. For more details, please check description. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.